Hi, this is Tiffany, also known as Naturally Chic, where we believe that chic is simply how you construct classy, so do it naturally. If this is your first time watching, welcome. And if you enjoy the vibes, think about becoming a subscriber so you don't miss any uploads. And if you are returning and haven't subscribed or hit that notification bell, what are you waiting on? Also, make sure you're following me on all social platforms under Naturally Chic. I'd love to build a community with you. Today, we're showing you a quicker, easier way to visualize outfits. I know for me, I always have styles rolling in my mind, but I wanted to show you how to create those looks without wearing yourself out, building up all the sweat and perspiration. And we're going to work smarter, not harder. And if you want to know how we do that and achieve those looks, continue to watch. So the first thing I do when I get a piece, I try to see how many looks or what look I'm going for. Sometimes things are in my closet. And what has helped me growing up with a seamstress is making sure you have a mannequin. This is a new mannequin. I have my mother's old mannequin that she uses upstairs in my closet. So when I got this piece, I wanted to see, number one, how I would style it. And so I know this is such a beautiful color, so I wanted to do some browns. I was going to do burgundy, but then I said, no, let me do brown. So because this does not cover the neck all the way, I wanted to know, okay, do I do a turtleneck? I'm not a fan of turtlenecks because they feel like they choke. But this is what was in my mind. And so this helps you visualize without always putting the clothes on. If you're anything like me, you get hot. I get hot trying on multiple clothes. So a mannequin helps. It helps get your style together, pull a look together, all the things. And sometimes I let it sit there so I can see, okay, play around with the idea of what looks good on that. So we're going to style this cape up. I grabbed this Pumi bodysuit out of my closet. I've had it for like a year or so.
Blinking, you were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care that seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you.
So far, this is the look. My question is, when I'm playing around with this, it's like, okay, do I want to add a hat? How would that look? Now let's add some shoes. I figured I would grab these. So I've been playing with the look in my head. Then, let's see, do we do like a hobo style bag? How would that look? So we set that right there. And it's like, okay, what jewelry do you do? Gold or you do silver? Now, there's gold in the hardware on the shoes, but will you really see them? And then, do we do a crossbody? So if we do a crossbody, does it take away from the look? And to me, I don't like it as a crossbody like I do the hobo bag. me see if I can get her to stay up there. She doesn't want to stay. Let me see if I can. Let's see, she'll stay on this side. Okay. So to me, that's a cute look. I feel like I need maybe a necklace, but will you really see it? You won't really see it. So, and that's how we create the looks. So a mannequin really does help. It helps bring your things to life. You can play around with it without it always being on, and you know, take things away, add something else. However, this is a great piece to add to your wardrobe when it comes to creating looks and styles, to see what goes together, how it flows without you being the guinea pig. Now that you have seen the video, you all let me know what you all think of the idea of having your own mannequin. When I tell you it's super affordable, I'll make sure that everything is linked below, but this is super affordable. I remember it used to be when my mother was getting mannequins, it was not the cheapest, but now it is so easy to have, less than $50, and you can have your own. I actually have two. I have this one that I purchased on my own, and then I have my mother's, but they really do come in handy. The one that my mother has, it contours to your size, like you can, you know, do all that. That's a fashion one, a seamstress mannequin that you can get from Joann's, but they are perfect to have for your wardrobe, to put things together, visualize things. I know, especially if you're a visual person, sometimes we opt not to wear things because we don't want to go through the hassle of putting it on and it doesn't look right or do all that. So this takes the guesswork out of it. But you all let me know in the comments below what you all thought about the video and if it was helpful. And until the next video of creating a look, you all take care and be blessed.
I just enjoy